Good morning, my dear students. How are you all today? I hope everyone is happy and ready to learn. Today, we are going to learn a very interesting picture. Everyone, look at your textbook. Look at the beautiful picture carefully. The name of this picture is Weekly Market. In Marathi, we say Athodi Bazar. Can everyone say together? Weekly Market, Athodi Bazar. Excellent. Children, do you know what a weekly market is? A weekly market is a market that opens once in a week. मतलब हफ्ते में सिर्फ एक दिन लगाने वाला बाजार आठवडी बाजार. आठवड्यातून एकदा भरणारा बाजार म्हणजे आठवडी बाजार. People can here to buy many useful things. Now let's observe the picture carefully. Ready? Very good. Before we start, let's learn some new words. For example, weekly market, that is Athodi Bazar. Vendor or shopkeeper, Dukandawala means Dukandar in Marathi. Customer, ग्राहक इन मराठी खरेदी करणारा. वेजिटेबल भाजी इन मराठी आल्सो भाजी. फ्रूट्स फळे. बैलेंस तराजू इन मराठी तराजू. वेट तोलना इन मराठी वजन करणे. क्लॉथ्स कपड़े. बलून्स गुब्बारे एंड इन मराठी दैट मीन्स फुगे. टॉयज खिलौने इन मराठी वी से टॉयज टू खेळणी मीन्स खिलौने. वेरी गुड. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द पिक्चर. लुक एट द होल पिक्चर. चिल्ड्रन, लुक एट द होल पिक्चर. कैन यू सी मेनी पीपल? Yes, you are good children. There are many people in the market. Some people are buying things. Some people are selling things. Everyone looks happy. Like you, the market is colorful. There are many small shops. Children, this market is very busy. बाजारात खूब गर्दी आहे. यानी बाजार में बहुत गर्दी है, भीड़ है. Can you find a grandmother? Can you find small children? Can you find shopkeepers? Excellent observation. Now looks at the vegetable shop. Can you see the vegetable seller? He is sitting on the ground. He has many fresh vegetables. Let's name them together. Tomato, potato, brinjal, ladyfinger, onion, radish, green chilies. Very good. ही सगळी ताजी भाजी आहे. Children, fresh vegetable keep us healthy. Now look carefully. The shopkeeper is using a balance. Balance means तराजू, तोलना. In Marathi also तराजू. He is weighing the vegetable before giving the vegetable. Why do we use a balance? Because everyone should get the correct weight. Very good. You are very good children. Now look at the fruit seller. Fruit shop. Can you see many colorful fruits? Let's read their names. Banana, apple, orange, grapes. Wow. A grandmother is buying fruit. A small boy is standing near her. Maybe he is waiting to eat a sweet banana. फ्रूट खाना हमारी हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है, इसलिए कभी कभी बनाना खा लिया करो. हाँ, याद रखना, बनाना खाने के बाद पाणी कभी ना पिना, थोड़ी देर के बाद पिना. फळे खाल्ल्याने आपण निरोगी राहतो. फल खाने से हम सेहतमंद रहते हैं, हेल्दी रहते हैं. Now look on the right side. Can you see colorful cloths in cloth shops? There are shirts, saris, frocks, pant. People are looking at the clothes. Some people are buying new dresses. Children, where do we wear clothes? Yes, we wear clean clothes every day. Very good. You are good children. Children, now look here. Now look here, food stall. Can you see the food stall? One uncle is making tasty snacks. Some people are eating happily. The little boy is also enjoying his food. Children, before eating food, what should we do? Yes, wash your hands. Excellent. खाना हमेशा साफ हाथ से खाना चाहिए, वरना तबीयत खराब हो जाएगी आपकी. Now look at this uncle, toy and balloon seller. He is selling toys. You like toys? Yes. Can you see colorful balloons? Can you see whistle? Can you see small toys? Children love balloons. Which balloon do you like? Say me. Red, blue, yellow. Very nice. लहान मुलांना फुगे खूप आवडतात. छोटे बच्चों को गुब्बारे बहुत पसंद आते हैं. Families in the market. Now look carefully. Many families have come to market. We can see mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, boys. Many girls are there. Everyone is shopping together. Shopping with family is fun. फैमिली के साथ शॉपिंग करना बहुत मजेदार होता है, लेकिन जब पेरेंट्स के साथ जाते हो तो उनको सताना नहीं. आप सताते हो? नो, यू आर गुड चिल्ड्रन. व्हाट आर पीपल डूइंग? चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स सी व्हाट एवरीवन इज डूइंग. द शॉपकीपर इज सेलिंग वेजिटेबल्स. The customer is buying vegetables. The fruit seller is selling fruits. The balloon seller is selling balloons. Children are looking at the toys. People are walking, people are talking, everyone is busy. This is why we call it a busy market. Now children, good habits. When we go to the market, we should walk slowly. We should not push anyone. We should stand in a queue. We should speak politely. We should not throw garbage on the road. बाजार स्वच्छ ठेवला पाहिजे. हर किसी को बाजार में साफ सुथरा रखना चाहिए. खाने के बाद इधर उधर फेंकना नहीं चाहिए. Always carry a cloth bag. प्लास्टिक का कम यूज करना चाहिए. Correct? Very good. Teacher questions. Now, I will ask you some questions. Answer them loudly. I will wait only 5 seconds for your answer. What is the name of this picture? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, very good. Weekly market. The second question is, what do we buy from the vegetable shop? Time start now. Yes, very good children. Vegetable. Excellent. The third question, what do we buy from the fruit shop? Fruits. Very nice. Who uses that balance? The vegetable seller. Excellent. The last one question for you. Who likes balloons? Your time start now. Children, wonderful. Today we learn about the weekly market, means Athodi Bazaar. We saw vegetable, fruits, clothes, toys, balloons, customers and shopkeepers. We also learned that we should buy fresh food, speak politely and keep the market clean. Very good, children. Give yourself a big clap. Then thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.
यदि अभी तक आपने हमारे स्कूल टू यू यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लें, बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर लें ताकि आपको नए वीडियो की अपडेट मिल सके और वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें।